Hello everyone, it's me Shraddha from How to Electronics. In today's video, we will be controlling the RGB LED stripe using custom designed Android application. The Diwali time is coming, so I decided to make this video for all of my subscribers. This is the LED light controller module from Shelly. The module is Wi-Fi based and can connect to your home network. All you need is to connect the LED stripe or LED bulb to this module. Inside the module, there is an ESP8266 Wi-Fi enabled controller. The ESP8266 communications through Shelly Cloud Server. This is the RGB LED stripe of 3 different colors. By mixing the different color, we can generate multiple colors. It's simple and easy to use. You can control and program the light color and light the pattern you want. You can choose any color, and by using the Android application, you can wirelessly control the light. You can turn on and off whenever you want. You can even change the intensity. Alright, the sponsor for this video is Next PCB, who are of the giant PCB manufacturer in current industry. You can order the PCB by uploading the Gerber file. Then select the PCB size, quantity and color. Then select the country for shipment and submit an order. And there is a good news to tell you. Now you can get commission by inviting your friends to register and place an order on Next PCB. All you need is using this link, invite friends to sign up on nextpcb.com. You can do this by sharing the link on social media or email. Once your friend registered, you will get a $5 coupon, and once your friend placed an order, you will get a 10% commission. The commission will be recharged into your balance, and you can use that to deduct the order amount. So this package has been sent all the way from Bulgaria, Europe. This is an IoT-based product from Shelly Cloud called as Shelly RGBW. Shelly Cloud is a part of Ultra Electronics. Now the module uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for communication. It operates on 12 to 24 volt DC power supply. The power consumed is up to 288 watt. The system is implemented with embedded web server, and it has a 4-way dimmable light with SSL secure connectivity. You can see here a great product from Bulgarian company. Here is a QR code. You can scan it using your Android or iPhone and download the application. I'll explain that later on. But before that, read the official documentation of the product in the description link. It states that the device is wireless, and that seems true. It has a remote control feature, and this device is highly compatible with Android, iOS, Amazon Alexa or Google Home. It has a wide voltage support with schedule, timer and multiple effects. You will just love this product when you use it. But now let's see what is inside the box. So here it is a product yellow-blue in color, very small one. The black connector also comes with this device, which can be connected with 220 volt AC directly along with the limit switch. On the back side, the current voltage specification is mentioned. On the top, the connection pins are mentioned as W, B, Z, R, ZND, DC and I. You can simply connect the wires from RGB and power supply here. Now when I disassembled this box and tried finding what is inside the box, I was surprised to see the board was having a huge number of components assembled in small PCB board. See here, it's an ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip, the same chip available in Node MCU board. Along with ESP8266 chips, there is a push button for reset and few power controllers IC for stepping down the power. It has a copper antenna for 2.4 GHz frequency. There is also a port where you can connect the UART module and try programming. Now, here is a 12 volt RGB LED stripe that I recently purchased from Amazon. The LED stripe has 4 wires, one for the VCC and other for red, green and blue LED stripe connection. Inside the box, there is an instruction manual that explains how you can connect the RGB stripe of different models or a colorful LED light. The module can be directly connected through 220 volt AC or 12 to 24 volt DC adapter. Well, inside the box there is another instruction manual that explains how you can download the app and set the device. And I will be explaining the instruction in this video. I will be powering this device with 12 volt DC adapter. So first I connect the VCC wire to DC pin and ZND wire to ZND. From the LED stripe, connect the VCC wire to DC of the Shelly RGB controller. After that, I connected the RGB stripe to the respective color port. On the instruction manual or on the box, there is a QR code. You can start scanning the code to download the Shelly app. I am using Android phone, so scan the QR code. So it will take you to the link and the link will forward you to Play Store. So install the app and open it. So here is the Shelly app. On the first installation, you need to create an account here. So create an account using a Gmail ID. Once the account is created, you can log in. Now it's time to add the device to the software. So power on the device with 12 volt DC. Then on your mobile phone, open your Wi-Fi. The Shelly RGB module creates a hotspot, so connect to that access point with name something like Shelly. Now go to the Shelly RGB app. So here you can see a device has appeared. So click on Add Device and then select the device and enter the Wi-Fi access ID and password. So after hitting enter, the device stores the Wi-Fi credentials. You can explore more features of this app by yourself. So now it's time to control the light. On the Android app, select the color that you want. Adjust the brightness, check the effects, etc. So many features and so many functionality in just a simple touch. Such a great LED light controller, isn't it? Since this is the time of Diwali, I have decorated my office with the LED light. So here it is how I am controlling my office lights. The link of this product is attached in the description. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.